Hey everyone, today we're going to be going over 6 simple steps in order to make money on your YouTube channel. Now, starting a new YouTube channel can sometimes feel overwhelming and also difficult. But let me tell you, this doesn't always have to be the case. I'm going to break this down for you guys and go over some step-by-step instructions on how to get started and how to monetize your channel and start really making that money. And having an actual plan can help guide you rather than just guessing what could work. It is always nice to have a concrete plan. So I'm not going to bore you with any more talking. Let's just get right into these 6 simple steps to make money on YouTube. So for step 1, we're going to want to set your guys' channels up for success. We want to make sure that you guys have a solid foundation of knowledge and content. So the first step in order to get into this is we're going to want to choose a niche. And a niche could be a topic or a hobby of yours or anything that interests you. So this would include things such as I'm interested in makeup or books or TV shows even. And this can be a hard step as people are always wondering, what should I make my channel about? Well, you're going to want to choose something that personally interests you because this is something that you're going to be working with for quite a while. And it could even bloom into being your full-time job. So I would suggest 1, choosing a niche that you would like to learn more about, and 2, something that you might have experience in. If you literally cannot think of anything that you would want to make your YouTube channel about, here's a list of some niches that you can feel free to pause and screenshot and just think about. But keep watching if you're interested in seeing even more niches and examples of how to exactly go into a niche. 2, we're going to want to do some market research. The next step is actually pretty simple. We're going to want to make sure that there is a market for your niche, meaning we want to make sure that people are actually going to want to watch the videos on the topic that we've chosen. And how we do this is we simply go to YouTube, search up our niche, and just make sure that there's some videos that have over 100,000 views. And if there is, then perfect, we're on a roll. Now, 3rd, we're gonna wanna choose a name for our channel. Choosing a YouTube channel name is always something that I have found to be difficult, but you'd be surprised at how little your YouTube channel name actually means. For example, some people just simply use their names if it's nice, short, and catchy. Or some people, like the YouTuber Dream, for example, he makes Minecraft videos and video game videos, and his name is literally just Dream. And we know that he is one of the most popular YouTubers. And then we have also Mr. Beast, which is like Mr. Beast. Like, it's just simple names. And the thing that really brings these channels to life are not their names, rather than the creators and the content that they create. So I would just give the advice of don't overthink it. You don't have to come up with some perfect idea to succeed on YouTube. Tip number 4 of setting our channel up for success would be to actually start our channel, of course. It's super simple. All you guys have to do is make a Google account, and chances are if you're watching this video, you already have one. And a nice little tidbit is that you can have actually a bunch of different channels under the same Google account. Something to keep in mind if you start other channels in the future as well. My brother has a channel called Make Money Matt, and he actually has a whole video going into how to actually optimize your settings if you're interested in that. And now it's time to create a logo and some channel art for our channel, which I always find is kind of a fun part. And again, we don't have to overthink this at all. And I want to tell you that the logo and the channel art also doesn't matter as much as you think it would. I know some channels that I'm subscribed to, they really just have like a blank color as their YouTube banner. But I would suggest making yours look a little professional at least. You could even hire somebody off of Fiverr if you want. They can make your logo and your channel art for you, and that would only cost $5. Or you can save some money and do it yourself. Alright, now that we've gone through some tips on setting our channel up for success, the second big step I have for you guys is to find the content that people need. So say we have our niche picked out as we previously talked about, and you're thinking, well, what should I actually make my videos about? So I have a technique for this. It is called the searching and surging technique. My brother had actually taught me about this technique, and let me break it down for you guys. So, in order to do this technique, we need a list of 33 video ideas. Because when you usually start a YouTube channel, after posting 33 videos, then you can really reflect on your past videos and analyze the data in order to make the next batch of your videos just as good and even better. So let's talk about where we get these 33 video ideas. And here's when this searching and surging technique that we're talking about comes into play. So first we're going to gather a batch of 17 videos, and these videos are going to be based on what people are searching for on YouTube. And we can find these videos with a tool called vidIQ, and on vidIQ you can go to the keyword research section, and then you will simply type your niche into this and sort the results by best overall. This will show you what keywords are getting the most amount of searches. And if you don't want to upgrade and pay for vidIQ, you can also use Ubersuggest. We will find 17 video ideas from the search. Now it's time to jump into the surging portion of this technique. This consists of finding surging videos that are just getting a lot of views. And how we find these videos is even simpler. We just go to YouTube, search your niche, and then filter the results by most viewed videos uploaded in the past month. And then this will simply just show you video ideas. And we do this because we know that these are video ideas that are getting views as of right now. So this will be another batch of 16 video ideas, and we're going to write these all down. And let me tell you, if a video idea has worked in the past, it is most likely that it will work again. So with using this technique, it is kind of balancing using the search videos and then also just viral videos, and then kind of putting those hand in hand. So we have a list of 33 video ideas now after that, and step 3 is to actually generate your content. And I don't even mean you necessarily have to whip out a camera and film exactly like I'm doing now. I mean, of course you can, but it just depends on the type of content that you're doing. My brother actually runs a bunch of different faceless YouTube channels while also having his Make Money Matt, where he shows his face, and he's actually been able to hit 1 million subscribers all without showing his face, which just goes to say a faceless YouTube channel can do well. So let's talk about something called a niche channel. So within a niche channel, they will take stock photos or videos and then add a voiceover to these stock photos and videos, and then edit it all together without even having to get in front of a camera. And this can be different videos on YouTube, such as top 10 videos or story videos. There's a bunch of different niche channel videos. And I also want to tell you guys that the only thing that you would need to start a niche channel would be a cell phone, because you'd be able to record your voiceovers just on the mic on your phone, or you can get a cheaper mic such as a Blue Yeti Nano, but you are also welcome to show your face and become an online personality, and you can even just use your phone again to start recording your videos. Another good quality, cheaper camera that I'm actually recording on right now would be a Canon M50, but something that all of these channels will have in common is writing a script. You can just simply use Google Docs to write your script and Google to research how to write your scripts and gather information for your scripts. And then another tip I have learned is to always run your scripts through Copyscape, so then you can make sure there's no copyright infringement happening. So now that we have our video recorded, whether that be in front of a camera with our script or recording a voiceover with our script, now we simply need to just get our videos made. And then I'm going to go into a little deeper dive of if you don't want to show your face on camera and you're having a niche channel, you can use Google Slides or PowerPoint to create a PowerPoint and then add your voiceover to this PowerPoint. Or you can use websites such as Pixabay and Pexels to get free stock footage and stock photos and videos. Or if you want a paid service for this stock footage, you can use Storyblocks. You can sometimes even use other people's videos from YouTube, but make sure that you're following guidelines of fair use, because we don't want any copyright happening, you guys. But another thing that all channels will have in common is that they need videos to be edited. And you do not have to spend hundreds of dollars on a big fancy editing software at all. You can use free software, such as one of my favorite softwares to use that is free is Canva. I actually use Canva for some of my personal channels videos just because I can edit them on my phone, and then I can also edit them on my laptop, and it doesn't cost anything. Of course, you can upgrade to Canva Pro, but if you want a free one, Canva's a good one. Or you could even use like iMovie on your iPhone, like hello. And also, I want to tell you guys and warn you, never pay for music for your YouTube channel videos. Instead, you're gonna wanna use the YouTube audio library, because they will have a whole gallery of different types of audios that you can use in your videos without any copyright infringement at all. Finding this one out is always a game changer, because it's like, I have music, yay. Now, step 4 for us is to upload and optimize. So once we have our first 33 videos done, yay, the next step is to actually upload these videos to YouTube, of course, as that's what we're here for. And you need to optimize your videos so we can ensure that they get views. Now let me tell you, a schedule is always a good idea because you might be wondering, well, how often should I post? Set yourself a schedule. One of the most important keys to YouTube is honestly consistency. You only want to set a schedule that you know you're going to be able to maintain in the future because you want to stay consistent. So if you're thinking 3 videos a week, I can manage that, then go with that. And if you're thinking, oh, I want to post every single day of the week, let's think about how that would play out in the future because you don't want to overwhelm future you. And also, I would like to say it's also important to have a backlog of videos, meaning you have videos already made, such as in this video we're talking about, we have our 33 videos, so you can schedule those videos on YouTube to post in the future as well. And you always want to be producing more than you're posting. So backlogs are our best friends. So like I said, you can use YouTube scheduling to actually get your videos on a schedule. Now let's get into making sure that our videos are properly optimized. Again, we can use vidIQ to find the best keywords for us, and we can use these keywords in our descriptions, in our tags, and in our titles of our videos. Or of course, I always want to give you guys a free option, which would be the Chrome extension of Social Blade, and then you can see what your other competitors are using for tags to get some inspiration. Now we have our videos uploaded to YouTube, and we'll get into step 5, which is getting traffic. I mean, we want to eventually get some views, right? Because we don't want to put in all this hard work for nobody. There are actually so many different ways that you can utilize to actually get views on your videos, but I want to talk about what I would personally recommend. It would be a good idea to choose just one traffic source and then roll with it. And one of the best ways to do this is to utilize YouTube itself, which sounds a bit silly. And we can do this by using the consecutive content technique. And this is simply just making a series of videos about similar topics or even the same thing. And when we make all of these videos, we want to have all of the same keywords within these videos. And with us utilizing this, it means that we only need a little bit of search traffic. Let's break this down even further. Your own videos will appear in the suggested tab of your other videos. And this can gain us a lot of watch time in the future because YouTube will now put our videos in other popular videos suggested feeds. Like when you watch a YouTube video and then there's watch next, this is what will happen. Your videos will be promoted this way and you will start to get some more views. It sounds a little complicated, but it's really not. So basically what I'm trying to say is just all your videos want to be about the same topic or big main idea, such as having a makeup channel. You want to make some makeup tutorials or shopping for makeup, like just have one common interest. All right, now we're on to step 6, you guys, which is monetizing your channel and actually making money, which is probably everybody's favorite part of the YouTube process because we want to have our hard work paid off. So there is something on YouTube called the YouTube Partner Program, and this is where YouTube will put ads on your videos and monetize them for you. And you will need 2 things in order to be a part of this program, which will be 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. So we need these 2 things to get ads on our videos. And you might think, well, this will take forever for me to get to this point, but it really wouldn't with all of these tips that I'm giving you. So there are 3 main ways to make money through YouTube. And the first would be getting your videos monetized, like I just said, through YouTube ads. The second would be through digital products, which we'll get into. And then the third would be affiliate marketing. Let's start with just getting monetized on YouTube. So a good tip for you guys is to make your videos at least 8 minutes long. And this would ensure that YouTube is putting mid-roll ads in your videos, meaning they would play different ads throughout your video. A good tip to this is you can put an ad at the beginning of your video and then another 2 minutes into your video until the end of your video. When we do this, we make the most amount of money because we want people to watch the ads. Using simple techniques like this can help you make double the money. Now let's talk about making money through digital products on YouTube. A good digital product to get involved in when having a YouTube channel is selling a course. And don't worry, you don't have to have a ton of knowledge to make courses. You just need to know a little bit more than what other people might know. And a course is essentially just a group of videos. So you could be, again, teaching people how to do makeup and make a series of videos about that, or what products to use. Udemy, Kajabi, and Teachable are all places you can sell your courses, or just digital products in general. So attaching this to YouTube, you can make some courses and then put them in the descriptions of your videos and promote your courses in your videos, and then people can buy these courses and you can make some extra money this way. And this is actually how my brother makes most of his money, through his courses that he sells. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. If you don't want to wait to get monetized, there's a way to make some money on YouTube even quicker. You can get affiliate links to put in the descriptions of your videos. And what an affiliate link is you would choose a product that is related to the niche of your channel. I'll just keep using the example of makeup. So if you have a makeup channel, you could promote some makeup products. And these aren't products that you have to create. These are just products in general that you can get an affiliate link for. And we can find some of these products through digistore24.com, Amazon even has an affiliate program, or clickbank.com. Now that we've made it through these 6 steps in order to make money on YouTube, I'm going to throw in some extra secrets and tips to help you guys even further. So, secret number 1 would be making your thumbnails. Now, thumbnails are what grabs people's attention, and it makes them actually want to watch your videos. You don't have to be some photo editing pro in order to make a thumbnail. You can just use free software such as Canva or Snappa or PaintNet to create your thumbnails. Some tips for this is make sure your text is legible. You want to have one main point of interest, whether this be a person or an object. Videos that have some type of human emotion in their thumbnails usually get the most clicks. Something to keep in mind. Secret number 2 would be watch time and audience retention rate. So, for example, let's say you have made a 10-minute YouTube video. Well, we want to make sure that people are watching at least 60% of this video that we've made. And this is something we want to pay close attention to. Secret number 3 would be the A&O technique. And A&O stands for analyzing and optimizing. And this is the key to really hitting it big on your channel. You want to pay attention to what is working on your videos and what is not working on your videos, because if you see something that is not doing too well, we want to make sure to not repeat these mistakes in the future, such as if a video with a different type of thumbnail doesn't get as many views. So this is where we see when people are losing interest in our videos and when they really watch our videos. Another thing to look at, and the next secret we'll get into, is the click-through rate on our videos. This is the percentage of people that actually click on our videos after seeing them, whether they're scrolling on their feed or they just see your videos in general. You want to aim for at least a 6% click-through rate. You can split test your thumbnails actually with a tool called TubeBuddy, and this will help you improve and increase your click-through rate. Secret number 5 is paying other people to do the work for you. So it can be important to create your YouTube channel organically and do it all on your own at first, but when things get overwhelming, it is never bad to hire people for help. You can kind of create an assembly line within your YouTube business. And again, you can hire people right off the bat if you have the money, or if you just don't want to spend the money and want to do it yourself and get used to it yourself first, that's okay too. So step 1, we want to come up with a title idea. And then you would give that title idea to a script writer. I recommend at least 1,800 words, as this would make a 10-minute video. And then this script writer could give this script to a voiceover artist, which is somebody that would just create the voiceover for you. And then the voiceover person would hand their content over to a video editor, and they would, of course, edit the video. And then we also need a thumbnail designer, which would make a really good thumbnail for you. And now what you do is you upload and optimize the video. Now you don't have to do exactly this, but you can hire some people here and there if you're interested. And you can hire some of these people through places like Fiverr or Upwork. And lastly, we're going to talk about some good niches to pick and channel examples. For example, if we have a life hack channel, you could check out the channel 5-Minute Crafts. A good psychology channel would be Brainy Dose. A good technology channel would be Tech Zone. So there are so many different niches that are popular and will gain views. Now, if you guys want to learn how to make money on YouTube without actually having to make YouTube videos, click on this video right here, as it'll go over some really great tips on how to exactly do this. Thank you for watching, and see you guys there.